Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript operators. We have various types of operators. First of all, we'll discuss about arithmetic operators, and for that I'm gonna add in here script tag, and within a script tag I'm gonna console log 5 plus 6, hit save, and it gives us 11. Then we'll say 5 multiplied by 6, hit save, we get 30. And then we'll say 6 minus 5, hit save, we get 1. And likewise we have got 20 divided by 5, hit save, we got 4. And then we'll discuss about exponential operator, which is 5 raised to the power 2, hit save, we got 25. Then we have got increment. Come in here and I'm gonna declare here variable foo, or say x equals 5, and then I'm gonna say x plus plus, and here I'm gonna console log x, hit save. Let's come in here and type var x equals 5 and then x plus plus, and it's all up to you if you add semicolon or not. And now hit save, we get 6. It adds one value to the value of our x, which is 5 right now. That's why it gives us 6. Or we can say minus minus, hit save, it subtracts 1 unit from this value, which is 4. And then we'll discuss about assignment operators. First of all, we have got this equal sign and assignment operators. Then we have got, I'm gonna say x plus and equals 5, hit save, we get 10, because this means it equals to x equals to x plus 5. Now here it puts 5 and it adds 5 into the value of x. That's why it gives us 10. And likewise we can also say x minus equals 2, let's save, and this subtracts number 2 from 5, which gives us number 3. Let me increase the size of our Chrome tool or console log, and now we can type in here asterisk, hit save, it gives us 10. It means 5 into 2 equals 10. We can also divide. Let's make it 10, and this will be / equals to 2, hit save, it gives us 5. And now we'll discuss about modulus, which is %sign equals 5, and this gives us a remainder to a variable, hit save, it gives us 0. Now we'll discuss about comparison operators. Say, let me delete this for now, and I'm gonna type in here var x equals 5, and then I'm gonna add in here a logical block. If here we can type, we'll discuss all of these logics in detail in our logic videos, but for now we'll discuss operators. And we can say, if I'm gonna type in here console log true, and this will log the console if this condition is true. And I'm gonna type in here a condition: if x equals 5, it's safe and this is true. And let's say we have got another type of, if I add another equal sign here, this will not only verify the value of the x as well as the type of the x, and you can check the type of any of your variable with, say, type of x. And I'm gonna come in this code for now, hit save, and it says this is a number. And if I type in here codes, hit save, it gives us string. So you can also verify the type as well as the number or a string assigned to the variable. Let's uncomment this code, and I'm gonna delete this code from here, hit save. And this is not true because here we only gave a number. Now if I type here only number, hit save, this is true. Or you can also type in here by putting sign of exclamation, and it says if x is not equals to 5. And I'm gonna type in here 6, hit save, this is again true. And if you want to verify the type as well, you can put in here another equal sign, and let's type in here hello world, hit save, and now it says true. And now let's discuss about, let's type in here 5 or 10 maybe, and here I'm gonna say if x is greater than 5, hit save, this is true. Or you can say if x is less than 5, hit save, it's not true. Or we can say if x is less than or equals to 5, hit save, we don't get any log here because the condition is not true. And if I type in here 4, hit save, it gives us true. Now let's say if you want to verify two conditions, you can verify two conditions by putting logical AND or logical NOT. Let's come in here and type AND if x is less than or equals to 5. Let's come in here and I'm gonna delete equal sign from here, and I'm gonna say if x is less than 5 and x is equal to or x is greater than 0, log us true. It's safe, it's true. You can also give here logical OR, and this is a pipe character or vertical line or vertical slash, and if any of the condition is true, console should give us true. So this first condition says if x is less than 5, second condition says if x is greater than 0, and we have put here OR. This is logical OR. Hit save and it gives us true. And that was all about the operators. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.